The morning sun glinted off the twisting steel beams of the new sculpture in Central Park as Ella unpacked her tools and brushes. As an aspiring sculptor, International Sculpture Day was her chance to join the fellow artists in celebrating this art form with the public. International Sculpture Day was established in 2015 by the International Sculpture Center to raise awareness of contemporary sculpture. For centuries, sculpture was a key part of cultural heritage and artistic expression. From the Venus de Milo to Michelangelo's David, though sculpture remains an integral part of art history, International Sculpture Day aims to highlight the vibrant community of sculptors creating works today. For Ella, sculpture is a way to bring ideas to life in a multidimensional, tactile way. The physical process of modeling clay or metal allows her to discover new forms and meanings. Contemporary sculptors like Catharina French, famous for her monochrome sculptures of animals, and Ai Weiwei, known for thought-provoking installations, have pushed the boundaries of what sculpture can be. On International Sculpture Day, over 500 events take place across 6 continents. Sculpture parks like Hackney Open Air Museum in Japan and Yorkshire Sculpture Park in the UK offer free admission for visitors to explore monumental sculptures in a scenic setting. In New York, Anna joined sculptors in hosting demonstrations and discussions in public parks to help communities understand different sculpting techniques and materials. Installed in a busy corner of Central Park, Ella's new abstract steel sculpture rises 12 feet high, with twisting beams curling around an empty space. She watches as visitors wander up to her sculpture, intrigued, circling around it and viewing it from multiple angles. Some stop to take photos or pose next to the sculpture, commenting on its fluid yet solid form. Though she is new to the art scene, on this International Sculpture Day, Ella feels she is part of a global community of sculptors shaping space around the world. For Ella, every day is Sculpture Day, but this official celebration reminds her of the profound meaning that sculpture can hold, its power in urban and natural environments. Long after she has packed up her tools, she knows her sculpture will remain, holding silent space for questions and inspiring curiosity in all those who encounter its metal embrace. International Sculpture Day celebrates this lasting power, and Ella feels proud to continue. The sun sets behind the distant skyscrapers, but in the park her sculpture glows under spotlights. A small new constellation comes to ground. The last Saturday of April is International Sculpture Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Sculpture Day. Cheers!